So here we have the LS460 almost all done. It's just missing the metal part that goes under the fender, some clips in the fender that I gotta order yet, and one part for the front bumper. This trim piece, no trim piece. Other than that, it looks halfway decently. Not my best work, but I'll be taking it to a paint shop to see what kind of quote I'm looking at. If it's too expensive, I'll paint it myself, but here we have it. It drives, runs pretty good. Panel gaps could use some work, but I just slapped the fender on, slapped the headlight on, and yeah, I'll drop it off at the paint shop to see what idea they can give me, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all done. She's a beaut.